It's September, which means the kids are back in school, pumpkin spice everything is taking over. And it's time to do some home maintenance. Don't worry, it's not as scary as it sounds. And I promise, we'll keep it fun. So, let's dive into some easy September home maintenance tips. First up, let's talk about your gutters. Seriously, clean those things out. Summer storms probably left them full of leaves, twigs, and who knows what else. Clogged gutters can lead to all sorts of problems, like water damage to your roof and foundation. Grab a ladder, some gloves, and a bucket, and get those gutters sparkling. And hey, while you're up there, check your roof for any missing shingles or other damage. It's always better to catch these things early. Next, let's move on to the HVAC system. September is a great time to give your heating system a little love before the cold weather hits. Change your air filter, people. It's like the easiest thing you can do. And it makes a huge difference in your air quality and the efficiency of your system. You might also want to consider having a professional check your furnace or boiler to make sure everything is running smoothly. Trust me, you don't want your heater to die on you in the dead of winter. Now, let's talk about the yard. Summer can be tough on your lawn and plants. So September is the perfect time to give them a little TLC. Rake up any fallen leaves, weeds, and debris. Give your lawn a good watering. And consider fertilizing it to help it recover from the summer heat. And hey, if you're feeling ambitious, now's a great time to plant some fall flowers to add some color to your yard. Finally, let's not forget about the inside of your house. September is a good time to do a little decluttering and cleaning. Get rid of anything you don't need, and give your home a good deep clean. Dust those shelves, wash those windows, and vacuum those carpets. Trust me, you'll feel so much better in a clean and organized home. So there you have it, folks. Some easy September home maintenance tips to keep your home in tip-top shape. Remember, a little bit of maintenance now can save you a lot of headaches and money down the road. Now get out there and enjoy the beautiful fall weather.